Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how you can change or edit your jobs seeking preference settings in LinkedIn. So we are going to talk about the job seeking preference in LinkedIn. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Guys, if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe me. It is free. Okay, so let's start with the video. So here you can see I am on my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I'm going to show you starting. Okay, so let's go in your profile and find your job seeking preference setting in profile your LinkedIn. So you have to click on this down arrow, small down arrow, go to the setting and privacy. In setting privacy we will have account preference and other option like sign in, security, visibility, communication. So you have to click on this data privacy. In data privacy we will have like job seeking preference. So in job seeking preference you will have many options like this. Okay, so you can change privacy control of your job seeking activities and LinkedIn. So first you can choose what information LinkedIn save when you submit the application. So click on this job application settings, and here you can see LinkedIn will save your resume while you submitting while you are applying the new job. So if you don't want to save your resume, you can off it, but I recommend keep it on because you will require your resume. Okay, sometime. So if you want to delete resume, you can delete from here, or you can download from here. You can upload new resume from here also. Okay, so your privacy is important, which include copy your full profile application. Okay, so that is only for job application setting. There save and manage your resume and answer. Okay, let's go back. Let's jump to the next option, which is sharing your profile. When you click apply, okay, choose if you want to share your full profile with the job poster when you are taken off LinkedIn. After to click apply, just click on it, and here you can sharing the profile. When you click your apply, okay, you have to increase your chance to being viewed by sharing your profile with the job poster when you take off LinkedIn to apply. Community preference. Okay, this is a privacy about. Okay, so increase your chance to being by sharing your full profile. If you on this, it means. Okay, I have some internet problem. Let's refresh it. Okay, so if you on this, then LinkedIn will share your full profile to your recruiter. Okay, so I just uh, if you want to want, you can want. The next option is community preference. Okay, commute preference. Commute means employer can communicate with you while email ID, driving, public transit, working. Okay, so we will use the info that calculate your commute time to job, the improve your job recommendation. Type your start address. Okay, here you can give information to employer like where do you stay and how do you commute, like driving, public transport, walking, how much time it take. You have to give your address. Okay, like, so just type your address, then it will be, you can type pin code, anything, or landmark, then it will be synchronize your address. Just click your address and you can save, then it will be show while you when you apply a job, it will show how you can commute. You have to select everything from here. Okay, when you show, it will be on, and you can select walking, driving, anything. How do you normally start your commute? Okay, when you start your day, you have to select everything from here. Okay, just come back. The second large option is a single signal your interest to recruiter to companies you have create job alert. Okay, so it is for when you create job alert. So how to create job alert, you can check in my previous video. But when you create job alert, that means if you on this, if it's by default off, but if you keep it on, then when you create job alert in particular keywords or designation or location, then that particular recruiter will notify that will notify they will get notification that particular candidate or person has create alert. So maybe they will preference you first. Okay, so this is very important. For that, you have to create first job alert. Okay, So last option is the storage job application account. Okay, manage with third party job application access account are stored in LinkedIn. The job application account below where stored your no job application account. Okay, only remove your credential. Okay, so this is for storage job application account. Okay, manage your third party job application account. It is like job applicant account, like employer or HR account. So when you create any job, you have to create first your job applicant account, and then when you apply a new job, it will be stored here. Okay, so you have how to create job applicant account. You can check my previous video. Okay, so that is all about job seeking preference changes and editing setting. I hope you like this video. Thank you for